Hi guys, so I'm gonna make Parmesan roasted potatoes today. These are my favorite potatoes to use for baking and for roasting. So I am going to sprinkle this with some oregano, pepper, salt, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and Parmesan cheese. So this is what it looks like. So you just go like that and you just mix everything in. I am going to add more Parmesan cheese, so be generous with the Parmesan cheese. And just mix it well. And I'm gonna put these in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes, covered with the aluminum foil, shiny side down. So here I have asparagus, tomatoes, yellow and red peppers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle it with salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. I'm gonna cover this with the aluminum foil and shiny side down, and I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it on broil at 500 for the last 5 minutes. This is what it looks like right before I'm gonna cover it. Shiny side down, covering this and putting it in the oven. So while the veggies are in the oven, I am going to be making shrimp. Frozen shrimp, wild caught. I washed them with apple cider vinegar, rinsed them twice. I'm going to be adding lime juice, orange juice, chopped cilantro, my homemade seasoning, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. So I have put those ingredients in there, and I'm gonna mix this. Okay, looks great. I'm gonna add chili powder, and salt. Mix it again. The next step is that I'm going to melt a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to put the shrimp in here. This is over the stove grill pan, and put them all in here, uncovered for 15 minutes. On medium heat. So I put the shrimp on high heat now. Okay, this is what it's looking like. I want all those juices from the butter and the seasoning to dry out so that it can kind of grill a little bit. So I have uncovered the potatoes. This is 40 minutes later. I've uncovered the potatoes, and now they are on broil at 375, and I'm gonna do that for another 20 minutes. The asparagus is done and ready to serve. Looking good. All done. Look at how delicious this looks. this is ready to serve.